Hi everyone, I am back. I have a new Stitch Fix. I saw the preview and there's one shirt that I think I really like, and then the rest of it is I'm not sure. We'll see. I mean, you should always try it on to see if you like it or not, but I think you'll see what I mean when I show you what's in here. As always, if you're new to Stitch Fix and you want to try it, I have a referral code that I put at the bottom of the video. If you try Stitch Fix, I get $25 off and you get $25 off. So it's fun for both of us. I don't know what to think about this fix. So, okay. There's the colors. There's a lot of blue, and I have it marked in my style profile that I don't like the color blue. For whatever reason, I don't like navy blue. I like all the colors except navy blue. I don't know. So, oh boy, we'll see. We'll see what this looks like. Oh, before I do that, I like to read my stylist's note and see if I have the same stylus. My chair is really creaky. I hope that's not too loud. Ooh, yeah, see, it's a different stylus. And I read online that a bunch of stylists quit. Stitch Fix was offering them an incentive, basically to quit, because they want them working only like 9 to 8 or something like that, but I don't know. I don't know much about that. So this says, "Hi Melissa, welcome to your fix. How are you? I am so excited to style you today and hope these are the perfect looks you had in mind." Let's dive in. The 151 wide leg pant is the fit that you have been craving and will add variety to your pant collection. I did ask for a wide leg pant, but these are not what I had in mind, but we'll see. Pair with the Market 7 spruce top that will, I lost my place. Great tucked in. For that great length, the Johnny Was tunic is the navy tone, see? That you can pair with leggings or skinny denim for 2 different looks. Is there anything you would like to see in your next fix? Let me know what you think of the fit and styles to make every fix better than the last. Cheers, Jessica. So, my last stylist was Grace, and now I have Jessica. We'll see. Okay. Now this first top is cute. I like it. I would like it better if it was not blue. And this is by Velvet and Graham, and I really like Velvet and Graham, but it's an expensive brand. I think it was $98 for the shirt, and I have to really love the shirt for $98. $99. Okay, this is the one I thought I would like. It's just a plain white eyelet tee. Not tee. It's not a tee. It's more like a blouse. The shirt, nicer. I love white shirts. So we'll see. That is the one that I think I might like out of all of them. There's this pink top with a tie at the bottom. It's by Gaiam. I think it's more like a workout top, which is great, but I don't know. I'm just kind of over ties and twists and all those things on the bottom. Just not sure how I feel about that right now. And this one, oh, I don't like this one. I mean, it's not bad, and I could see why maybe she would think I'd like it. I don't know. I'll try it on. We'll see. But it's navy, and I love embroidery, but it's kind of fun because it's got these constellations in the sun. I don't know, well, maybe it's kind of cute. I don't know, but, and I'm just not a fan of tunic length shirts, and I have lots of black leggings, but I don't know if I want to wear black leggings with a navy blue shirt. We'll see. Oh God. These are so bad. The material is awful. Oh no. It's like this horrible polyester, just ew, just ick. Like they're a wide leg. Oh my gosh, I can't even touch them. They feel so awful. They're a nice wide leg pant, and they're not that bad, except that they're polyester and they're navy blue. So I'm gonna try this stuff on and we'll see how it looks on. Okay, first up is the Gaiam Kenzie Typhon top. Color is light purple, size large, $36. So I decided to try this on with a pair of shorts because it seems nice and cool for summer. And I know it's almost October, but we are still really hot here in Vegas. And I thought I was gonna hate this shirt, but I don't. I mean, it's pretty cute. I would not call it light purple. I would call it more of a pink. But I mean, it's cute with a pair of denim cutoffs. I wouldn't wear it to exercise in just because it's so short. Like, you know, if I'm, well, I mean, I guess that worked. If I'm moving all around though, I like to be more covered. And I like to have my butt covered in leggings for the most part. Anyways, that's a whole different story. But this is pretty cute. And for $38, it's not bad. I might keep it. I don't know. It could be good for camping or hiking or something like that. Because it is very cool. It's very lightweight and cool, which I appreciate that. So, I mean, this is a maybe. Okay, next up is the 151 knit crepe wide leg pull-on pant in navy, size large for $48. Now, they're not as bad as I thought they would be, but I don't like them. I'm not a sailor. I don't have anything against sailors. I'm sure sailing is lots of fun, but I just, like, the button, like the weird plastic button detail is just weird. There's no pockets. They're polyester. They're icky polyester. I worked at McDonald's when I was 16 and we had to wear these black polyester shorts and then this pink polyester shirt, and it drove me crazy then. Well, that, and it always smelled like French fries, but now that I'm a grown woman, I don't have to buy polyester pants. So if you like polyester pants, that's great. But I'd rather not wear polyester pants. So, okay, these are a no. Next up. All right, we have the Johnny Was Mia short sleeve knit tunic in navy, size large, $98. Now, I put on some skinny jeans as suggested by Jessica, my stylist. But just, I mean, it would be cute. Maybe if it was a little bit longer as like a mini dress, but this just is not, I can appreciate the embroidery. Like, I like the little constellation here in the sun and the flowers, and the moon's got some weird, I don't know, spray coming out of it, but it's just a miss. It's a little too flowy. If I was pregnant, it'd probably be super cute. So good maternity shirt, because even that, it like pulls it up and not that much. Maybe a little matronly. My mom might like it. Mom, you're probably watching. Do you like this? Leave a note in the comments if you like this, because I could see my mom maybe wearing something like this with a pair of leggings. Maybe not though. I don't know. This might be a little bit too much for her. But yeah, it's just kind of, I mean, it's got a side slit. But Hazel, what do you think? Hazel, she's like, if she doesn't look at me when I call her name, that means she is not interested. So this one is going back, especially for $98. So, okay. Okay, I think I have one that I like. This is the Market and Spruce Soraya. I'm sorry, that must be Soraya embroidered top in white, size large, $64. So I do like the eyelet detail in this. I think this is a nice shirt for work, although the kids are gonna get paint and clay all over it, but I can wear an apron, so that'll take care of that. I like how it's cut at the neck, but it's not too low cut, so I'm super comfortable wearing this at work. And the sleeves are a little bit puffy, so I love a puffy sleeve. Like practically every shirt I own has a puffy sleeve. They look cute with the skinny jeans I left on. Hazel, what do you think? Ooh, she's just depressed today. Hazel! Yeah, nothing. We're not gonna trust her judgment anyway. So I think this is a keeper. It's long in the back, which is kind of nice. Covers my butt. So, well, barely covers part of my butt. So I think this is pretty cute. It's nice and roomy. I think the large fits really well. I definitely wouldn't want a medium. So this is a keeper. Okay, last up is the Velvet by Graham and Spencer Tyrion ruffle top in navy size large, $99. Now, it's cute, and I tried it on with my denim jacket because it's, you know, in like one day it's gonna cool off here in Vegas, and I think that's cute, and I'll front tuck it a little bit here, but let me show you what I don't like about it. So if I take off the jacket, I don't know if I can take off the jacket and hold the camera at the same time. Hold please. Okay, I got the jacket off. So what bothers me about this shirt is how low cut it is. I definitely could not wear this to work. And then this looks super funny. I went paddleboarding yesterday, and it's end of September. It's like September, I don't know, 26th, 27th, something like that. And I thought, I don't need sunscreen. I don't need my sun shirt. I'm going to be fine. I got so sunburned, and this is actually faded quite a bit from yesterday. So wear your sunscreen or your sun shirts, I guess, is the moral of the story. But, and it makes this look even funnier. Anyways, too low cut for work, although I really like this ruffle here and the ruffle on the sleeve, and I think it's really cute, and I could wear it not to work, but I feel like I have so many other shirts. See, my bra is just gonna constantly be showing. I feel like I have enough shirts to go and drink wine in as it is, because that's all I ever do. When I go out and drink wine. That seems to be, I don't know, it seems to be it. There's not even ashamed of it. So, I don't know, for $99, I'm pretty sure this one is going to go back, and it's super light, but with the denim jacket, it is better for fall, and I don't know, the more I have it on, the more I like it, but I don't, low cut, and I could wear a cami, but who wants to wear a cami under a shirt? I don't. I mean, if I had to, I would, but, yeah, so this is a definite maybe. To wrap up, overall, this fix was super mediocre. I don't know. I almost want to get a new one and see if they do any better. But I think I'm definitely going to keep the white shirt. Maybe the pink shirt. Actually, maybe this fix wasn't that bad. It was just those pants, the navy pants and the navy tunic embroidery top, which I probably hated those so much because they were just that navy blue, which I don't know what I have against navy blue, but I do. I don't know. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye.